Now let us see an update in action. So we'll come back to our model. So we'll go to the update customer input API model. So I've given the ID of the customer and I just want to update only the name, not the date of birth in our case. So that will also reflect something. Suppose you don't want to update something. So in keeping the output input API model separate makes a huge difference in your design also. It keeps it very clean. So whatever data you want to update, actually you can configure only those in your input API model for updates, and rest of the data remains as it is. You don't have to provide any extra validation to stop update for some data. So that is there. And then we have the mapper set. Let's see, update customer API model to customer we are mapping, and now let us see that in action. So we'll go to the endpoint and let us run the application. I'm not giving any validation here now. It is the same as what we did for insert. So similar validations you can add just for saving the time. So we'll go here. We have the update customer. So we'll fetch the ID. In updates you can really get the ID validation and all. Let's keep it simple for now. So for an update you can validate whether the ID is existing or not according to your business this thing. And we'll update the name of the customer also. So I'll just copy that. We'll give the name updated. So we'll execute. We got a 200. Since we are not set any response body, nothing will come. So we got a status code 200. Then we go to our handlers and then run the handler. So customer updated to database. Let us go to the data. See, customer 1 updated. So this is how the update flow works. And if you see the date of birth, there is no change. So any other field doesn't have any impact. Since created by and last modified is not set in our context info, it is not getting the data right now for the demo. So that is not set. Otherwise, it will all come when you have the data coming in there. So this is all about update. Now next let us look at the delete.